Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping smart. Import your clip and a clean plate, then stack the clip above it so you can judge transparency. Apply key light to the clip and use the screen color eyedropper to sample the most typical green area. This sets the initial key. Once done, set screen gain around 1, 0 and tweak screen balance to center the key. Make sure to switch key light's view to screen matte so you can see solid black and white areas that reveal holes or spill early. Once you have a raw matte, refine it. Adjust clip black to remove speckles and clip white to preserve fine detail. Nudging clip rollback recovers subtle edge hair. If edges are harsh, increase screen softness slightly, then add a matte choker for cleaner silhouettes. These operations reduce fringe without losing detail. Make sure to use a separate view to check semi-transparent areas, and then remove color contamination with advanced spill suppressor. To finish, place your keyed foreground over the clean plate, then match motion with tracking or corner pin so edges align naturally. Once positioned, add subtle grain and slight blur. This bridges sensor differences and makes the composite believable. Use color finesse or lumetry to grade and tweak luminance and saturation so foreground and background read as one. If you still see artifacts, try a garbage mat to cut problem areas. Perform a secondary key on stubborn regions, or render at higher bit depth to preserve subtle transparency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.